Hello! So in today's video, you'll see an easy gel polish application. I am going to show you in 5 easy steps the tips and tricks of how to achieve the best looking. Come to this page, and we hope that you'll stay and watch until the end. So let's get started. As you can see here, in step 1, you should always do a manicure and push the cuticles back and prep the natural nail bed for a clean gel polish application. I've already manicured my nails, so here I am just cleaning the nail surface with alcohol to remove any traces of oils. Step 2. Apply the base coat. The base coat should always be applied as a thin layer and evenly and lightly throughout the entire nail surface. Be very careful not to touch the skin and do not touch the cuticles. Once the base coat is evenly applied throughout the nail surface, you can now cure it under the LED lamp for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. Step 3. Apply the color polish 2 times. The first coat should always be applied very thinly throughout the entire nail surface. Be very careful not to touch the skin and do not touch the cuticle. As you can see here, I am going back to my thumb and trying to take as much polish off of my thumb and distributing it across the other fingers because I want to get it on as lightly as possible so that it does not bleed over when I cure it under the lamp. After applying the first layer of the colored polish, always remember to cure it in between each coat. Applying the second layer of the colored polish is easier and you can be more generous on the polish, and as long as you are evenly distributing the polish throughout the entire nail surface, it should not bleed over. Step 4. Apply the top coat. I like to apply 2 times the top coat. The first layer should always be applied very thinly throughout the whole nail surface. As you can see, I'm trying my best to evenly apply the top coat throughout the entire surface without trying to pick up any more of the top coat. I am just trying to use up everything that I have on this brush. Remember to always cure after every coat. The second layer of the top coat, you can be very generous, but you should still be fair and still apply evenly throughout the whole nail. And the second coat will help the polish with extra strength and longer lasting shine. And I am very sorry, I don't know what happened, but I was very out of focus here. You could barely see what I am doing with my nails, but I am still applying the second layer of the top coat to give it that extra shine. And finally, last but not least, we are at step 5. We started with the alcohol wipes to cleanse our nail surface, and now we are ending with another alcohol wipe to cleanse our top coat. If you are using a top coat that does not require a cleanse or alcohol wipe, you do not need to do this part, you can skip. But if you are using a regular gel top coat, you will need to use the alcohol wipe to take off that sticky substance, and then you'll have beautiful shiny gelled nail polish. If you are still here watching this video, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you are still here and have watched all the way till the end, please comment down below that I am still here and tell me your favorite colors so that I can put together a video with your favorite colors. Thank you so much for watching.